Open the folder with the pickle setup file. Open the setup. The pickle setup wizard will appear. Click I accept the agreement after reading the license agreement. Click Next. Indicate your preferences and click Next. A pop-up confirming installation will show. Click Yes. Uncheck the boxes as shown here. Then, choose the folder where you want the pickle files installed. Continue clicking Next until the installation starts. Uncheck the box and click Finish. Restarting your computer isn't necessary. Installation complete. You can try opening Pickle. This is the Pickle homepage. To exit, click Exit Program.